weather is bad today. It is flash flooding all over this area that I'm in. I think I just saw some cars got washed away. Oh my gosh, I'm just trying to get back to my little spot because I was about to do some deliveries, and I didn't realize it was this bad out here. So I had accepted an order, and then when I got to this area, which is the popular part of town, I realized how bad the weather was, and I said, nope, let me cancel this. So this was the street where I thought I saw some cars. I don't know, stuck, but yes, oh my God, look. Them cars are stuck. It's several cars that's stuck. Oh my God. Look at that car. Gotta roll my window down. I'm getting wet for y'all. For YouTube. Look at that car. And them other cars. That man was going to save her. Oh my goodness. Look at my car. It's getting wet. Oh my God, that lady is still trying to bag back. I don't know where she's going. Like, you may as well just call for a tow truck. Because I think her battery is dying because the lights was flashing a minute ago. And the other cars that's up there, up further up, it's like 3 more cars up there. And I'm not sure why the police hasn't come and blocked the street off. And these people are still trying to come down this street. Oh my God, this is so dangerous. And I know everybody is just trying to probably get home. I don't know. This is crazy. So we'll see what other kind of footage I can get. You know what? And I don't know what's wrong with this car right there. He been sitting there for a long time. I don't know. There's more people trying to help that lady because her car is, the water is getting higher and higher. I think they got the car moving. It's bagging back. Oh my God, I hope they don't run into nothing. It's really some good people in this world, y'all. And there's the ambulance. Jesus. And there's somebody still in that car. The windshield wipers are going. Oh my God. Y'all ought to see all these people here watching. The tow truck man finally came. They got another tow truck on the other side because it's about 4 cars that's stuck. And is he leaving? Okay, no. Then you got, they finally got people out here to rescue them or try to. And y'all just don't understand the importance of paying attention to the weather alerts. Those weather alerts are there for a reason. Oh, he finna get this car right here. The one that... And where's the police? Like, they haven't roped it off or anything. Finally, the police just came. Hopefully he's about to break it off. Mercy. busy afternoon, I guess. Well, evening. Oh, it was somebody in that car. Hmm.